Christina, Moriarty, Universe Citizens Post, number 27X, May 9th, 2024. Consciously focusing on Synergetics 400.01 through Synergetics 488. Imagine consciously evolving metaphysical intellect's geometry of thinking as an anticipatory design science function of Universe Eternal Omniscient Mind, UEOM, coordinating omnirational realities, referentially, to an integral computer while employing the invisible circuitry of nature. The domains of it naturally would be subvisible, conceptual vector equilibria, independent of any size, as the human brain's cerebral neuronal circuits, replete with memory storing and recallable functions, consciously evolves in the relevant information gathering cosmic to local, omniconsiderate problem-solving process. How in universe could such potential consciousness evolution knowledgeable competence become known without awareness of one's own synergetic mind in TUCP, the Universal Communications Process? Amongst our evolving humanity's billions of synergetically interactively transmitting generalized content that is disseminated over the most evolved interaccommodating network. Intuition's least disturbed equanimity hopes such potential competence can be realized on a compatible, highly evolved social economical communications platform, but to date, existing platforms like X, previously known as Twitter, continues to function as a catch-all, infinitely open-ended facilitation to vent the PRJWBSHM, politics, religion, justice, war, belief system, hierarchical matrix frustrations from humans everywhere on Earth who are in search of their highest achievable thought-language coordination. The articulated threads are like an open wound. Coexisting humans are in search of their highest achievable thought-language complementary counterpart within TUCP. It is as the anticipatory liberated moment will automatically find common ground within the compatible network's evolved intelligence that would already have redesigned its rerouting technology to coincide with the isotropic vector matrix operational field's cosmic hierarchy that is extensively described in R. Buckminster Fuller's Synergetics. Synergetics is a book of conceptual models from the geometry of Bucky's thinking, searching for and discovery of nature's coordinate system. Let's read Synergetics 427.10, Invisible Circuitry of Nature, to get a gist of our humanity's consciousness evolution that is deliberately ignored by algorithmic ambitiously misinformed engineers and programmers who unfortunately ignored Bucky Fuller's genius during their self-education and schoolroom education when computer coding enticed them to take different profit motivation directions. Now, though, consciousness evolution and self-education clearly can read synergetics while acknowledging one's own synergetic mind as an anticipatory design science function of Universe Eternal Omniscient Mind that can as easily imagine at least 4 individual energy stars as vertexes of one tetrahedron and 12 around one individual energy stars as a conceptuality of the vector equilibrium. The interconnection and disconnection are correlative by one synergetic mind's metaphysical generalized conception in fields of thought that has memory stored in its cerebral circuitry, the hands-on experience of the vector equilibrium jitterbug model. It demonstrates going from the vector equilibrium to the icosahedron to the octahedron to the tetrahedron. This is way before reading in Synergetics 427.11 about a computer-based in the invisible circuitry of nature and a Milky Way-like subvisible energy star smaller than the glitter on a pinhead? When it is independent of size, the metaphysical conceptuality of physical phenomena cosmologically coincides with 0 times 0 size, 0 pulsation in the vector equilibrium. Metaphysical intellect, synergetic mind naturally experiences an integral interassociation compatibility with informed awareness of the closest approach its mind will ever know to eternity and UEOM at 0 pulsation in the vector equilibrium. The awareness eventually clarifies the importance of obsoleting the detrimental PRJWBSHM aspects that perpetuate enmity states everywhere on Earth, as competition between the ramifying PRJ factors culminate into the W factor self-other reenacting annihilations ad infinitum. If X cannot redesign its engineered vertical columns to the convergent, divergent, isotropic network, albeit a world-renowned, supposedly cancellation-free TUCP zone, a shadow ban liberated communications platform, whose genius is already underway? This seems to be the relevant question today. In light of consciously evolving, newly informed awareness of the cosmic logical UIVMOFCH versus the obsolete PRJWBSHM in a world that regresses to the relative insanity of World War II. As if our species, humans of the eternal mind, coexist as a regressive function and not as consciously evolving, individually tuned in synergetic minds. It is because of our individual brain circuitry design, consisting of quadrillions times quadrillion atoms, that our metaphysical generalized conception in fields of thought can imagine conceptually formulating the design of the UMC, the ultra micro computer. It is imaginable by a child's synergetic mind, as are all conceptual patterns gleaned from the physical environment, which is designed in principle to progress from ignorance at birth as the continuity of one's consciously informed synergetic mind, apprised of wholly WHOLLY relevant universe information, not fantastically derived irrelevant misinformation. In this third decade of the 21st century, we really have naturally adapted to computer technology that was unimaginable at the outset of the PRJWBSHM. But computer technology is also prone to adaptations to the PRJWBSHM's millenniums-old survival propensities. Apparently, and unbeknownst to the algorithmic enthusiasts, is yet another consciousness evolution proclivity which clearly is compatible with our individual synergetic mind, as we begin to anticipate freedom from the obsolete. When closer refined to metaphysical generalized conceptioning as an evolving species, can we hope to realize our cosmic functioning without eliminating the slave mentality from the earth? Keep tuning in as cosmic to local relevance becomes clearer by the day. Thank you.